Welcome to the autopsy room of the Jonas Brothers and the cast of the Julie and the Phantoms. A very sad story to be told today after the loss of Madison, Charlie, Jeremy, Owen, Nick, Joe, and Kevin. They were all at a party at the Haunted Firehouse. If you watched the Jonas Brothers show, you would know where that was. But they all ate something bad, and they all vomited. And after their vomit, they died. Welcome to the autopsy room of the Jonas Brothers and the cast of the Julie and the Phantoms. Here is the vomit.
Ew, what is this? It feels like chocolate.
It's the vomit of Charlie and them.
What is this?
Next, we have Jeremy and Nick's eyeballs.
It's not like white. I don't know what.
Look, can you see?
No.
Oh. How did that feel?
Not good.
Okay.
What is
We're going to just wing the story. Next, who's Jade's favorite in Charlie? I just gave that one away.
Charlie?
It's Charlie's hand in the autopsy room. Would you like to touch his hand? No,
Ew.
that's not his hand. Keep touching. Reach for it. Oh, he found a finger. Oh, how was that?
Not good.
Next. You know how Joe Jonas has some bushy eyebrows? They got shaved off, and these is Joe Jonas's eyebrows.
Ew.
Along the journey of the autopsy room, we have the Jonas brother and the cast of the Julie and the Phantoms' ears. Oh, that one's Nick's. Charlie's. Owen's. Next. Oh, no. I think we might have them all here. Madison's and Kevin Jonas's toes.
It's carrots. I can feel it.
The next one. Who stole the heart of Jade and Zoe and Julie and the Phantoms? Hold on, Jackson. Who stole the heart? This is Charlie.
Mommy.
This is Charlie Gillespie's heart. You may pick it
It's
up.
watermelon.
It's not a watermelon.
Okay, here we go. I picked it up.
Next, who's Jackson's favorite from Julie and the Phantoms?
Owen.
Owen. We have his brain. Okay.
Nope.
Next, we have the cast of the Julie Phantoms earwax. How does the earwax feel? Would you like to touch it again?
No.
One more time.
No.
Okay, next, hold on. You're going a little fast, little dragon. We have, while we were in the autopsy room, can you see?
No.
While we were in the autopsy room, the skin was peeling off of Jeremy and Madison's face. Would you like to touch their skin?
No.
Pick it up. It's Madison's skin peeling off. Who is Zoe's favorite Jonas brother?
Charlie. Wait, no.
Jonas brother.
Nick.
This is Nick's liver.
Ew.
Now the next one is a bonus. Who's Jade's favorite Jonas brother?
Charlie.
Jonas brother.
Oh. Joe Jonas.
Well, what happened to Joe's hair recently?
Joe's hair.
It's all gone. It's Joe's hair.
This does not feel good.
But Joe...
Is it done?
No. Keep coming. But Joe, while we were getting his hair, he left some booger snot. Here's some boogers. Boogers. Would you like to eat a booger?
No.
But next is all the cast of the Jonas Brothers. Oh, I said that wrong. All the cast of the Julie and the Phantoms and the cast of the Jonas Brothers fingernails. Ooh. And would you like to end the autopsy, Jackson?
Yes.
No? With the guts of all of them. Here you go. The guts.
Oh, it's spaghetti.
You may look at the autopsy room of the Jonas Brothers and Julie and the Phantoms. Dum, dum, dum.
Look at this, Jack. This is your first one.